Hey guys, I hope y'all are doing good. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about a Revit plugin that has changed how I find my Revit families forever. We all know how tedious it gets to find the right Revit family. And often we end up losing hours not even finding the right family. But guys, this has changed for me since I have discovered this plugin called BLOCKS. So BLOCKS is a company that produces high quality parametric Revit families. And now they have made a plugin called BLOCKS, which seamlessly integrates into your Revit environment and helps you find high quality parametric families and add it to your project directly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download this plugin, how you can install it, and how you can start using it right away. So without any delays, guys, let's get started with the video. So the first thing that you have to do is to go on BLOCKS RVT website. The link is again in the description, and make an account for free. And once you have made an account, you will be directed to an Autodesk page where you can download BLOCKS BIM installer. And once you have installed this plugin, open up your Revit, and as soon as you open the Revit, you will see that the BLOCKS plugin is on your right hand side. And here again, you will be prompted to sign in. Sign in with the same sign-in ID that you have created on BLOCKS RVT website and the password. And once you have signed in, you will see that now you have access to 7,000 plus families in BLOCKS RVT. And here, just click on the categories, and here you will see that they have every family categories that you might need, from furnitures to all the way to mechanical and lighting equipments. So there are two ways of finding your families. First is by category and by using the browse feature. Second is by searching directly from this search bar that I'm doing right now. And once you have found your family, all you have to do is just click on this specific family, and voila, you have loaded a high quality parametric family directly into your project by using less than 5 seconds. So this is how this plugin works. And also, once you like a family and once you know that you will be using this family multiple times, you can even like this family and store for your later use. So this is something that is very impressive about this. And not only this, BLOCKS also adds 25 families every week to their library. So their library is constantly improving and getting bigger and bigger. So you will never run out of families in this particular plugin. BLOCKS RVT or this BLOCKS plugin also provides you a material library, which is a very beneficial thing, because I know I have wasted hours just to make specific materials. So you will have a very high quality material library, and also they provide a lot of branded content. So if your client is picky and he wants a certain kind of chair that is provided by a certain branded equipment manufacturer, I think so they will have that manufacturer in their categories. So go ahead, check it out. And if you are a student and if you think that this is too expensive or something like that, it's not. They have a lot of free families as well. So if you're a student and you can't afford spending money or anything, I think this plugin will still help you a lot. You can just download it and use the free library that they provide. So I think overall, this plugin offers a lot. And I think this seamless integration is something that we all needed and we all need in our lives. So go ahead, give it a shot, try this plugin, and also share your feedbacks. I would love to know that how do you use it? Is it even beneficial for you or not? And I would love to hear from you. And before signing off, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel to always be updated with the amazing tech that is there in architecture and the knowledge that is there for architects.